feel about increasing funding for the space program?
For starters, I don't believe space exists. You're not gonna attach a camcorder to a Roomba, stick it in the desert, and tell me it's Mars.
Okay, back to the Copernican principle, and this is what they tell us. The sun is 93 million miles away. Now, I'm going to show you evidence through sunsets that shows the sun light following the sun over the horizon, and it shrinks as it goes over. Now, there's no way it would do that if the sun is 93 million miles away. Okay, first I'm going to show you some footage from the ISS. Okay, now watch this animation. Watch this sunset. Now this is exactly, if they came to me and said, do an animation, this is how I would do it. If the sun were 93 million miles away. Just like that. Have the whole horizon fade evenly. But that's not what we see. Now, in this one here, you see two lights. Obviously, we don't have two suns, but these are two cities lit up, and it's just to show it looks just like the sun going over the horizon. That's the point of me showing that. That's local illumination at work. The sun is not 93 million miles away, because if it was, the entire horizon would fade evenly, and the entire horizon would fade at the same time. Not what we see here, which is the small sun cruising over the Earth, and the light is following it. Case closed. See it shrinking, following the sun? You do not get that if the sun is 93 million miles away. The entire horizon should fade evenly, just like this supposed shot taken from space of the Earth. You can clearly see the way they depict it. They depict the demarcation between day and night, or light and dark, as a long straight line. And you can see the long straight line moving as one solid piece. That means that the sunset should all fade, the entire horizon should fade evenly. But that's not what we observe, as we will see and as we've seen in the footage so far. The sunlight shrinks and follows the sun over the horizon. So these time-lapse sunsets are definitely the nail in the coffin for heliocentrism. But this particular one here, shot from above the clouds from this observatory, is the final nail in the coffin. Look at how the sun just shrinks and the light shrinks to nothing. That cannot happen, as I showed you in the when the sun illuminates the entire Earth, which it does from 93 million miles away. It has to. You don't get this isolated look at the sunlight trailing the sun. That's only possible with a small sun, close, not very high, illuminating locally. I mean, if this isn't proof to you, then you gotta take the blinders off.
Hey yo, I only know what I see. I seen enough to know what it means to me. Learned from red dirt and I got degrees. Veered off left turns and wild out east, and we're poor and rich and hold all that class. Don't wanna know any sons, don't wanna know where you are. Mind made up already, we're not here to wax. We just don't wanna fall off the edge and into the dark. So we clench our fists, clutch our pearls to anybody critical about view of the world. Tongue like a slammed door I keep closed, just to beat those doubters of these blindfolded free throws. And the channels love a G up, shoot the heat up, we'll beat up and lead up, and I don't wanna have to read up. Just drop a grenade and put my feet up. I don't wanna fall off the edge of the earth. Don't wanna hear nothing. I wasn't real if it's not what I felt. Cause I filter it out. Don't tell me what to believe, or accept what I cannot see. Fuck you and your facts, I'm free. If you don't like it, leave. they're trying to take away the freedom that I wanna speak. Click, click, cut them off, run them out of town, shut them off. Shh, I don't wanna hear another beat. But my gut got this, then my head take note. Cause I know when this story's a slippery slope. So stay in your lane, son, stick to your songs. I don't care where you're coming from, just a simple answer to confirm a doubt. And then baseless opinions that come out of my mouth. In a nerd tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. But when the so-called experts ever sorted this out. When we're swamped by Muslims, swamped by Asians. Different type of same old station, crowd ovation. Whip up hatred, that old chestnut, that vocation. Do anything to truth but face it.
I don't wanna fall off the edge of the earth. Don't wanna hear nothing. I was a real if it's not what I felt. Cause I filter it out.
Don't tell me what to believe. Fuck you and your facts, I'm free. Don't tell me what to believe. Fuck you and your facts, I'm free. Don't tell me what to believe or accept what I cannot see. Fuck you and your facts, I'm free. If you don't like it, leave. I didn't even want to walk in your shoes. What about me? Flatter, flatter. Don't tell me what to believe or accept what I cannot see. Fuck you and your facts, I'm free. If you don't like it, leave. I didn't even want to walk in your shoes.